my widowed home, take the road that sets it to the sun, waiting for my skin and bone to return and see what I've become. Summer has not yet been here, though my days are lost. Take me back to when the night was young and another song was sung. What of all those pretty tales, the ones that took me to this door? Is there comfort in the siren's wail, a comfort upon this wooden floor? Tell you, is it a failure to forget the ones you once held dear? And I try to remember, but my mind is no longer clear. And would you ever doubt my love when my day is done? I lay down my body within this earth I've won. Would you try to follow the roads I had to walk? There's a whisper in the willow, from there you'll hear me talk.